Hello guys, today I'll be going over the 2025 AMC10B Problem 24. So a frog hops along the number line according to the following rules. It starts at 0. If it is at 0, then it moves to 1 with probability 1/2 and disappears with probability 1/2. For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, if it is at n, then it moves to n plus 1 with probability 1/4, 10 minus 1 with probability 1/4, and disappears with probability 1/2. Where's the probability that the frog reaches 4? Let's use expected value. Expected value of 0 is going to equal 1/2 of the expected value of 1, as since there's also 1/2 expected value, but it disappears, so that would be 0. So now E1, there's 1/4 chance it moves to E2, and 1/4 chance it moves to E0, and if it disappears, it'll never be able to reach 4, so the probability of that is 0. E2 is equal to 1/4 E3 plus 1/4 E1. E3 is equal to 1/4 E2 and 1/4 E4. But what E4 is equal to 1, as E1 wins already, so 1/4. So now let's find the sum of this. So let's plug E3 into this equation. Then we get E2 is equal to 1/16 E2 plus 1/16 plus 1/4 E1. Let's multiply by 16. This gives us 15 E2 equals 1 plus 4 E1. Now let's take a look at this equation. This equation is just E1 is equal to 1/4 E2 plus 1/8 E1. So this just gives us 7/8 E1 is equal to 1/4 E2. Multiplying it on both sides, we get 7 E1 is equal to 2 E2. So let's multiply this equation by 7. Then we get 105 E2 is equal to 7 plus 28 E1. Let's multiply this equation by 4. 28 E1 equals 8 E2. So plugging this in, we get that 105 minus 8, which is 97 E2, is equal to 7. Or E2 is equal to 7 over 97. If E2 is equal to 7 over 97, then E1 is equal to 2 over 97, and E0 is equal to 1 over 97. And so our answer is E. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.